In today's Justice with Sweet James, there have been some changes to requirements for insurance here in the state of Arizona. So what do you need to do? Here to help is attorney James Bergener of Sweet James with those tips. Great to see you. You said, first off, this is a good thing.
Susan, this is a good thing. This is a wonderful change that is going to happen to all of the drivers here in Arizona. It basically increases your minimum coverage from $15,000 to $25,000. And this helps pay any medical expenses and any damages caused in any sort of auto accident. So it'll be a small change, but it will make significant inroads and benefits to everybody.
Absolutely. You said this already has taken effect.
As of as July 1st, okay. That is coming into play. So when your insurance renews, it will automatically be increased to the new $25,000 limit. So really, you don't have to do anything to be in compliance. But now is a good time to go ahead and reach out to your insurance company and check your coverage. People ask me all the time, you're a personal injury attorney, which insurance company should I use? And I tell them, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you get what's called underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. And that can make a huge difference in your life.
You said it's something as simple as checking a box, because so many people, as you know, James, they skip right over that.
Yeah, I don't need this. And it's only for a few extra dollars a month. But I'll give you an example of how it can change. I just recently got a graduation notice of one of my former clients, put herself through school and graduated, largely in part because she protected herself with underinsured motorist coverage.
Wow. So when you hear that, again, we just need to pick up the phone, call our insurance company. That's as simple as handling this new law.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Now is the time to do it and get it done. And it, like the referees tell the boxers before they get in the ring, protect yourself at all times. This way you can drive and know that you are covered and you don't have to worry about what happens.
I love that you use an analogy of boxing, with a name like Sweet James. You got to be a knockout in the courtroom. I want to ask you, though, when you are litigating, cases like this, how many times have you said, if only my client had this?
Those are just sad stories, and it happens way too often, and it breaks my heart every single time. But we've recovered hundreds of millions, and we do our dangest. We do such a good job.
Yeah, you do. We've heard about you. We want to welcome you, of course, to Arizona. So glad to have you here, not only on Sonoran Living, but in our state, because you do take great pride in the fact that you guys have longevity and have success for a reason.
That's right. That's right.
Winning cases. And this is something that we can all do very simply, right? So it's July 1st. It's already taken effect. We don't need to do anything except call our insurance and be covered.
That's right. It's super easy. And now's
all
the time.
Right. All right, so give us some advice before we head off out of this segment. Give us some quick advice as we, again, moving around on the road. What do we need to keep in mind?
Protect yourself at all times and call me if anything happens. I've got you. I can take care of everything. It's easy.
Yes, right. Let him knock it out for you. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, James. And we want to give you some information. If you want justice with Sweet James, call 602-737-0911 for your free consultation or visit them online, sweetjames.com.